If you want to find out how you can get involved in this year's photography series, stick around and I'll show you how. Coming up in today's video. As you all know, this year I have a photography series coming out in May of this year, and for me to work around this and help the series run efficiently and effectively, I'm going to need to put together a team. For you to apply for this position in the team, you can go to the link below and fill out the application form. I will then send you a notification to say whether or not you have made a team. Applications close the end of March. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.